Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel where we're diving into the world of personal finance. Today we are going to talk about some essential strategies to help you manage your money effectively and achieve your financial goals. First thing first, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of financial stability. Start by outlining your monthly income and expenses. You want to know exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. Allocate your income towards essential needs like housing, groceries, and utilities. Then set aside specific amounts for savings and discretionary spending. Use the 50-30-20 rule by allocating 50% of your income to needs, or in other words, things you cannot do without, like rent or loans, groceries, utilities, etc. Then 30% to wants, like dining out, travels, free time, and finally 20% for savings and investing. Adjust this rule accordingly to your personal financial situation. To make things easier, you can use dedicated budgeting apps like Good Budget, Every Dollar, and Pocket Guard. The advantage of these apps is that they will help you to develop a zero-based budgeting plan, and they can be fully integrated to your bank account and linked to your credit card. The disadvantage is that they are usually not for free. Alternatively, you can create your own spreadsheet. Remember to include all your incomes, for instance your paycheck, tax return, dividends from investment, etc. And on the opposite side, all your expenses like rent, loan, car leasing, fuel, utilities, groceries, and so on. This will help to keep track of the past expenses, analyze possible improvement areas, and plan the expenses for the future accordingly to your budget. Many online checking accounts give now the chance to download a spreadsheet with all the income and expenses already listed. You can use it to automatize your spreadsheet and get a clear overview at the end of each month. Now, let's talk about savings. One of the best ways to ensure you're consistently saving money is by automating the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't even have to think about it. Consider having separate savings account for different goals like an emergency fund, travel fund, or retirement savings. This helps you stay organized and focused on your financial objectives. For example, if you decided to save €500 per month, you can automatize the bank transfer to dedicate, for example, €200 to your pension, €100 in a cash deposit, and the remaining in the stock market. Next up, it's time to trim the fat from your budget. Take a close look at your spending habit and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's dining out less frequently, cancelling unused subscriptions, or opting for generic brand instead of name brands. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. I'll make you a short example on how powerful can be focusing on small things. For instance, one coffee costs on average in Europe €1.20. Drinking 2 coffees per day costs €2.40. Drinking 2 coffees per day over 10 years will cost you €8,760. Investing the same amount in the S&P 500 10 years ago would make you earn approximately €25,000 today. This is the magic of consistent savings and interest over time. Of course, this doesn't mean you do not have to drink a coffee anymore, but avoid automatic behaviors and drink it only when you really want to enjoy one. You will discover that you will get much more pleasure and satisfaction from a self-conscious decision rather than from an uncontrolled habit. The habit loop has a big influence in our business and in our life in general, and it's a huge topic which we will cover in another video. When it comes to spending money, it pays to be savvy. Before making a purchase, do your research to find the best deals. A very powerful strategy to preserve your savings and to avoid compulsive purchase is the 24 hours rule. Today, we are bombed by too many purchase and buy signals that we constantly have the pulsion to buy. By giving ourselves 24 hours time to pause and reflect before making a purchase can make a big difference. You might find that after the 24 hours, the impulse to buy fades away and you are left proud of your restraint and confident in your financial decision. If after 24 hours you are still motivated to make your purchase, be methodic. Look for discounts, coupons, and promotional offers. And don't forget to comparison shop both online and in-store to make sure you're getting the best price possible. Last but not least, let's talk about setting financial goals. Having clear objectives gives you something to strive for and helps you stay on track with your saving and spending. Whether it is saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debts, or building an emergency fund, make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. By implementing these strategies into your financial routine, you can develop healthy saving habits and work towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, a thumb up would be really appreciated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers!